Hello friends, welcome back to the new video friends. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how to find my device in our Tecno phone. Friends, you want to off your find my device in your Tecno phone, so friends you can off it. And guys now let's see how to turn off find my device in our Tecno phone. In this video guys I am going to show you. So first of all guys open your phone setting. So when we will turn on our phone setting to off guys our find my device setting. So we will on our phone setting, and guys what will you have to do to guys after on phone setting to off your find my device. So as you can see guys your security settings, so guys tap here. Guys, third option guys you can see find my device settings, and tap here. And guys you want to find my device settings, so you can off from here. After all guys you cannot use guys your phone like find my device setting, and guys you cannot track your phone. So like that guys you can off your find my device if you want to off, so you can off from here. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video friends. We will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please comment, like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends. And before going guys, you have any doubt related to guys your phone setting guys, you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Bye friends, take care.